Hey, what's up, guys? Stink here, and today, sorry for the wait of a video to upload. Just I forgot to make one, so here's one a week after my last one. So I'm gonna be showing you all the really cool fidget spinners I have. But the thing is, they are the ones that are only filled with bearings. Which, I mean, it's okay. I have 5 of them that are filled with bearings, and I have like 20 3D printed ones. I'll probably show you at the end. But yeah, so the first one is this one. Simple green one. With bearings. The caps are also 3D printed. So yeah, simple one with bearings in it. 3 bearings. Alright, and then the next one requires 1 bearing and 2 ball bearings. Let me get spun. There. So now, say we got this one. And then I had some problems with this one since it's covering the bearings right here. I could only get it in from the outside for this side, and it's really hard to get them out because then they would snap in half. They can snap in half really easily. Alright, so moving on to the next one requires 1 bearing and 3 ball bearings. Bigger ones, to be exact. And then it has just plastic soccer balls. And all these have 3D printed caps, not bought or anything. So, yeah, and then the bearings were bought. Very silent. Not as silent with this one, though. And then the next one is a really, really cool one. These are kind of rusty, but it requires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ball bearings in 1 bearing. So this one's really cool. I got this one yesterday. It just looks really cool, and they're kind of rusty because, you know, I got them from my dad, and they've been in my dad's shop, and who knows what happens to stuff in his shop. But anyway, so yeah, there's this. And now, the next one is also really cool. It's one with dimes in it. 7 dimes. So I put 3 dimes in each. So that would be... So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21 cents, or 210 cents, right here, worth this fidget spinner, or how much dimes are worth in the fidget spinner. So yeah, $2.10 for the dimes in it. I have no clue how much the 3D printed outside costs, because you buy a spool of the plastic instead of anything else. So yeah, these can fall out though. Whoa, look at, you can see it. You can see them turning back. That's so cool. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get my huge pile of fidget spinners. Okay, here they are. So they're right here. So I have so many of them, but the only thing is these 2 are not 3D printed. These 2 I bought off of Amazon, so those can just stay over there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 fidget spinners right here. Some with bearings, some not. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!